Hi, my name is Eugene, and I'm going to show you how to install HandiFox on your PC and mobile devices and get it ready for work. For this video, I will be using a computer with 64-bit Windows 8.1 and QuickBooks Enterprise 2014, but the process is very similar for other versions of Windows and QuickBooks. So let's exit to the desktop and get started. First, you will need to download the HandiFox setup file using the link you've been provided. The download link will take you to our website. The website may require you to sign in with your login and password before you can start the download. When the download is finished, you will find the archive with the setup file and the installation guide in your downloads, or whatever other folder you've told the browser to save it in. Next, start QuickBooks and open the company file that you are going to use HandiFox with. Then go to File menu and select Switch to Single User Mode. Reopening the company file in single user mode is important to make sure that nobody else will be using it while you are installing HandiFox. So if you are the only person who uses this company file, you can skip this step. If you are not sure where your company file is located, press F2 to bring up the product information window and see the exact path to your current company file. You can write it down or copy it to the clipboard so you can just paste it later when prompted. When you are done, close QuickBooks. Now open the zip archive you have downloaded using Windows File Explorer or any archive manager of your choice, and run the HandiFox setup executable. Make sure that QuickBooks isn't still opened and click OK. Click Next, then Next again. Read the license agreement and click I agree. Then you must select the installation type, single or multi-location. Read the descriptions for both options and decide which one you want. If you are not sure, selecting multi-location is probably the safest choice. Click Install and wait while the files are being copied. If QuickBooks Foundation class is not installed in your system yet, it will be installed along with HandiFox. Click Next. Now you need to specify the path to your QuickBooks company file. Paste it from the clipboard if you've copied it earlier, or click Browse to navigate to it. Click Next, then Next again. Click Finish and let the system restart. After the system is restarted, open QuickBooks and log in as the admin. Note that any other user, even with full access, will not suit for this operation, since only the admin is able to set permissions for integrated apps. When the company is loaded, you will see the application certificate window for HandiFox. Set all the options as shown in this video, otherwise HandiFox may not be able to work correctly. Click Continue and then Done to confirm the operation. The HandiFox settings window will open. You can hold the mouse over the options to get a hint on what each option does. Change the default settings as you see suitable and click OK. Click Yes for HandiFox to start downloading data from your company file. The time this process will take depends on the amount of data in your company file and the number of recent transactions to be downloaded. Sometimes you will see a warning about an unsupported type of a certain item. This means that such items will not be available in HandiFox. When everything is downloaded, click Close. Go to QuickBooks File menu and make sure that the HandiFox submenu has appeared there. If it hasn't, close QuickBooks and restart it as the administrator by clicking on its shortcut with the right mouse button and selecting Run as administrator. The next step is to install HandiFox mobile app on your Android device. First, make sure that Wi-Fi on the device is turned on and you are connected to the right Wi-Fi network. Then open the browser and type the download link into the address bar exactly as it's given. Please note that this particular address is used here as an example, and the correct link for you will probably be different. Touch Go button to start the download. Now you need to install HandiFox from the APK file you've downloaded. Touch it in the Downloads menu, then touch Install. When it's installed, touch Open to start the app right away. You can also start it later from the Apps menu. To use the app, you need to create at least one handheld user account. Go to QuickBooks File, HandiFox, Handheld User Manager. Click New, enter the user's name, login, and password, and set their permissions. Click Save. Now you can log into the mobile app. Next, you need to tell the app which computer on your network it's supposed to synchronize with. To find out the server's IP address, press Windows plus R, type CMD and hit Enter, then type ipconfig and hit Enter again. The IP address you need will be in the IPv4 address line. Enter that address into the server field. Type any reference name in the name field or leave it empty, then touch Add. Make sure that the IP address you've entered is selected in the Host drop-down menu, and touch OK. Touch Sync to synchronize the device with QuickBooks. If you've selected multi-location installation type, you will receive a warning that the device has to be assigned to a location. To assign it, go to QuickBooks File, HandiFox, Handheld Device Manager. Highlight your device on the list, click Change Site, and select a site for the device to work with. Then touch Sync once again and wait for the app to finish synchronizing. Congratulations, now everything is ready for work.